continue use this video to talk about how to extract a picture from PDF document as the content. So as mentioned in the last video, the PDF2, this library is not cover this function. So we can use the PDF2 to extract text, but we have to use PyMU-PDF to do this image extracting, so to do the get picture. So let's do some the testing. So we create one file, so it's just one the sample. Let's create 952 extract pic image.py. To do that is let's create our image. So I also open a Word and open a file and try to find some image. So like let me copy something and put that into here. Maybe I make two picture in and within these two picture let's insert our page break. So and then let me save this as our Word document, a PDF document. So with more option, let's go to our folder. Image. So first we save that as Word, then we save again as PDF. So it's save. Then we have one PDF document with 2 pages. Every page has one image. So what we want to do is we want to extract those image. So as we did last last video, we already load this library. So if you didn't follow the previously video, please do pip install this PyMU PDF. This is our library, and after that we can use the FITC of the class or object. So first is because we want to load. So last video we just extract the text without any saving. So this video is we want to save because we don't use this the PDF2, so we cannot use that PDF writer. So we need to implement our save by OS library. So that is one library we need to load additionally, and another one we load this feeds. And as what we did here, so you can see we define the PDF instance as FITC open. So that we can copy, and now what we are going to open is this image. Let's try to run this. So you can see it's no error, so that means actually in memory it's already opened. Then we put is the save path. I suppose this we test this before. It should use the absolute path, but let's try to see here. So we just use this way. So let's see whether it's also working. We just save to the current path, and then now we use this for loop. So we have index and the page. So using this to form our dictionary. So in enumerate PDF dot pages. So we print. So F load the number index page successfully. Let's run. Okay, so load the number 0. So maybe we can put here. So +1. Let's continue, see whether I can run this. Okay, so because I want this page 1 is page 1. So you, but please bear in mind this index is coming starting from 0. And since we have our page already loaded, then we can use this get images method to retrieve the image. So first is like what we did is for index, and is we just use this get text for all. So now is we need to use a loop because it can be have a multiple image. Every images will be a different file to be saved. So it's not like text. Text we just put that as the element within the dictionary. So let's see for image in a page. Page is used is enumerate. Is every page will be our separate element. And then we get get images. Notice here is underscore. And xref is here. You can see xref is the image information part. So we put this image reference equal to image 0. So that is the image is also like a list. So we use this way to retrieve those image information. So let's see whether we can print. But I think this will not be printable. Oh, it's one is the 10, 13. And then let's continue. Pix is FITC. So we have this Pix map. So what this Pix map do is use that to require or acquire a Pix map the object. This object will be the image. So xref, the result we can see here is just our number of the image. We will use this image to retrieve the data. So then we use the PDF is the first arguments, and then xref. So then Pix will read those information. So xref we can print here. So print xref. So here how can we print? So print is xref is 13. So we got that 13. And if not means if this path is not exist, we will have the error handling. This is not this PDF handle, is just the operating system's the method. So we did that OS make dir save. So pass equal to OS pass dot join save pass the page. So we will use this the OS save path will already have this slash. Now we just have form this file name. So page index. So let's see index +1. So then page 1 is page 1 and underscore xref dot png. remember in our document we have 2 pages with a page break, and we have these pictures. So first is let's print OS pass. So what's this OS pass means? So also OS pass module frozen. So this is not NT pass. It's not printable. Print. So let me see is whether we can get that save pass. So maybe we see here is image, PDF images. So we will try to create a folder. So but here OS or make MAKDIR. Let's run. So I should have a folder. Great. So this folder have a page 2. So page 2 is our second picture. So we explore the old pictures. So pizza is this one. If not, create pics. And where is the? They say get the picture, but I didn't get the first picture. But we already used this looping. So let's see. So for index pics is this one. Use this xref image pics. If not, so I think we should put this all in the loop. Then they will get this. Let's see here. Then I get 2 image save. Let's run. So you can see here. So I think it's on this code is this should not be removed those indent because we are doing the 2 loop for 2 for loop. Whenever we get our image using the xref, we should transfer this together with file to the pics map, and immediately we should check our folder or path and use this path to form this this page xref information and then we form this save. So if we have this multiple image, we should use this way. And then this 2-layer for loop can go through all of your path, the pictures. So this one you can test yourself. I think it should be in the 2 indent to get all the pictures. And they support the different the format, the extension. By default, we use PNG, but if you want to use other, the format is fine. That is the this pics maps save. This saves these options. We just use our default path option. Didn't put the second arguments. Okay, I hope this video gave you our idea is how to retrieve the picture. And actually, I think it's the effect, this result is quite nice. It's almost like the original the picture. So using this way, you can just read the image object and retrieve that. So if these are image text combination, the PDF, you can also retrieve those pictures. So let me find our another the sample PDF. It's just as additional testing. So I just search nature in bin and try to print that into our PDF. Let's see. So I print the second page only in this page, and I will save that to our GitHub. It's including plenty of the pictures. So let's see whether our program is smart enough to nature. So let's save that. So let me open this nature. Many pictures. So let's try to use this extract. Let's copy that to nature test. So I want to change this to nature, and my path is the PDF image nature. Let's run. Okay, it's really load quite a lot picture and create here. So every picture is coming. So some picture is not big, but here, so you can see if I come to the browser, so come to here, and this is our nature. So you can see you actually retrieve all of them with PNG. So that is very powerful things. So I think using this way, you must be able to try some the interesting parts. Then is load all of them, and you can see every picture from this X reference. The part is they have a unique ID, and then with this successful one-page load. So that is I just try to let you know is changing the PDF file name, changing the path. You can control, and you can easily get all the pictures from one PDF file. So try to remember this or reuse this program as much as possible. And I hope this can save your time when you deal with the PDF file. Oh, and then let me come to here. Next video, we will talking about some protections about your adding those the water print. So let's look at those in the next video together. See you then.